Hello everyone, in this video we are going to learn that how to fix Roblox disconnected. Please check your internet connection and try again. Error code 277. So first of all you have to check your internet connection. You have to just right click here and then click on the troubleshoot problem, and this detecting problem will take a while. You have to be patient here. If you have the internet connection error, then you have to just solve it and select here from any net that you are using. Like I am using Wi-Fi, then I just select Wi-Fi and then click on the next. So here this is detecting my internet issue. If it has any issue, I will solve this and our error will be fixed. You can see that here is no problem of my internet, so just close it and open the run box by pressing Windows plus R at once and search there the cmd and then press OK. Make sure that you use this cmd command as an administrator. Now you have to put here some commands, like first command is ipconfig space slash and then flash dns in one word and then hit the enter. And the second command is ipconfig slash and then register dns and then hit the enter again. And the third command is ipconfig space slash and then release and hit the enter. After this the last command is ipconfig space slash and then renew and press enter. After this close this window and restart your pc. After doing so you have to access your Roblox, but before this you have to just disable your antivirus in your pc. Like I am selecting here my antivirus Norton 360 and then click on the disable auto protect and then press OK. You have to disable it for some time and then you have to just open your Roblox and try to log in, and you can see that I have been logged in successfully without any error code. I hope this video will be very helpful for you, so give this video thumbs up and also subscribe my channel. Let me guide. Thanks for watching.